If you want to know how to use photo in your presentation, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, we're going to go to PowerPoint presentation. So just click PowerPoint, look at PowerPoint in your account or your laptops or your PC, then click blank presentation. Once you're in, you need to put your title. So let's say, for example, Life of the Donkey is my title. Then, of course, fun and lively. Gonna put a subtitle in it. Then I want to add a picture of a donkey. Make sure that the picture that you want to insert to your PowerPoint presentation has already been downloaded to your PC so that it's going to be easy for you. So just go to Insert, then click Pictures, click this device, then look for the photo that you like. I already have mine in the downloads, so I'm just going to go ahead and click that. I'm going to use a donkey here. So you just have to adjust the picture of the donkey in your presentation. And then if you want it to be a background, just click on the right and then click Send to Back, Send Backward. Or you can just click Send to Back. Make sure you will edit the font size and color as well so that it wouldn't be invisible with the picture. So I'll say I'm going to put a background for my picture. I'm going to use a blue one. So there's a donkey, and then just go home and choose a background for your font. You can also change the font if you prefer. And if you want to add additional slide, you can just right click, then new slide or duplicate the slide. And the same thing would happen. So you just have to insert, then click picture, this device. And then once we're done, you can save the PowerPoint presentation. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add a picture to your PowerPoint presentation. So that's all for now. See you in the next video.